Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. We have here the Queen of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. Queen of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. Strength card. The Five of Pentacles. Five of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. Bottom card ay, wow, Three of Cups. Okay. So, meron tayong energy dito ng Leo. Strong Leo. Air sign, earth sign as well. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Message ng Archangels. So, we have here two cards. First is Crystal Clear Intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. And Life Review by Archangel Jeremiel. Take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. Okay, so, realization or after ng isolation, after ng pag-iisip-isip, ayan, itong taong ito is having this crystal clear intentions. Maaring nakapag-decide na itong taong ito. Maaring itong taong ito ay nawalang parang bula noon with this 5 year. Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Kasi naano siya eh. Natakot siya dun sa mga conflicts na ito. Para naduwag siya. Imbis na ayusin, tumakbo na lang siyang palayo. Nag-walk away or ng ghost na walang parang bula. Okay, so tingnan natin. We have the Snail card. Compass. Lantern, Magnifying Glass, Doll, and this Coffin. Bottom card, Playing Cards. So, kasi noon eh, parang having this playing cards energy. Parang laro-laro lang para sa kanya or hindi pa siya matured enough that time. Kaya tumakbo siya palayo. Kasi hindi niya kayang i-handle yung sitwasyon once na nagkaroon na ng conflict, ng problema, 333 pa, ayun. So, hindi niya kayang i-handle yung sitwasyon. Lalo na hindi niya alam kung paano aayusin itong mga conflicts na to, paano re-resolbahan yung mga problema, hindi siya problem solver. Alam niyo ba, sa nagka-problema, takbo na lang siya. Yung pinakamadaling solusyon, takbuhan ang mga problema. Ayan. So, parang aminado naman siya dito. Aminado naman siya na nagkamali siya or naging immature siya ng mga panahong yun. Hindi niya alam gagawin niya. Nagtago sa saya, ganun. Tingnan natin. I love your humor. You're my rest and my healer. I want to surprise you. I have fear and anxiety. Ayan o. My intuition choose you. I regret rejecting you. I want commitment and you're my happy pill. The struggle is real. Nahirapan to. Lalo na kung itong taon to hindi sanay sa mga problema sa buhay, yung madali lang yung niya, Lahat ng gusto niya nakukuha niya ng madalian. Hindi siya sanay ng pinaghihirapan ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya once na nagkaroon ng conflict, problema, tatakbo na lang siya palayo. Nahirapan siya sa gano'n. Tingnan natin. Pero parang nagiging matured naman na siya ngayon. I'm afraid to contact you. Pero natakot pa rin siya kausapin ka eh. I wish things could be different. Ayun o, I'm becoming a better person na daw. I couldn't let you get close to me. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. I'm starting to understand our connection. I left when I saw you with someone. And it was my fault, but I blamed you. And sinisi ka pa niya noon. Pero ngayon parang nahimasmasan na siya sa mga nangyari. Bottom card, finding out the truth, crushed me. Ayan. So, ngayon maaaring naghahanap na siya ng solusyon sa mga problema. Parang gusto niya nang harapin itong mga problema na tinakasan niya noon. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter L, W, O, M. H, N, T, Q, F, X. Bottom card natin. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. All strings attached. Manifestation and prophecy. Oh. And let's see sa ating general signs and messages. Very loyal. Uy, twin flame. High expectations. Yung mga plastic persons na yan. Kind-hearted. Cancer sign. Virgo. Province. Responsible. Capricorn. Pisces. Chaser. Quiet person. Number 2. Fantastic friend. June. Attractive. Summer. Caring. Killer smile. Practical. 8. Aquarius. Number 4. Skin tag. Funny. 9 and shy at first. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. October. Food lover. Luzon. Cold City. July. Dimple. Long distance. Ex-lover. Future lover. Emotional. Mirror. City. 5. Athletic. And number 1. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.